How to resize an image in Squarespace. In order to do that, you first need to head over to your Squarespace editor and then locate the image that you wish to resize. Now, for example, I have in here this, so just proceed to click onto that image. And if you wish to resize it, you can just utilize this button that we can see right here. With this, you can actually just drag and drop until you have reached your desired size of this image. So let me just resize it further. Just utilize those blocks right here or the squares in order to move or resize them right here. So for example, I'll just utilize it just like that. As you can see, I have resized that particular image. You can also do so by just clicking on that image and clicking onto this pencil icon. And then from in there, you can see this design option. You can change its image effects to the actual section if you would want. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.